What's happening, my dudes? Another quick cooking session on Smart Spark. Welcome. So in the previous video I showed you how I like to make some bread. I made this earlier, I'd show you again. The only thing different I did was I added brown sugar on this one. Just because I had a sweet tooth. So I'm going to take a lump of my bread. So for those of you who haven't seen that video, you should check that video out. But, so for those of you who haven't seen it, this bread is just composed of some flour. Throw it in a bowl, a little bit of salt, throw it in there, some baking powder. I also added brown sugar because I had a little bit of a sweet tooth. Mix it all up by hand real quick, and then add some water. And then go till you get a consistency. Now this is a little bit doughier than I like, but I brought some more flour to help me settle that out. Throw some flour down, throw some flour on. I'm just going to spread this out a bit. And so what I'm going to make today is I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls. Now if you're thinking, I don't have eggs, I don't have all this shit, you don't need it. This is just some quick, simple cinnamon rolls, and they're fucking delicious. Not even going to lie. Pardon my French. But, so, you see how I'm doing this here? I'm just rolling this out using whatever. You can use a jar. You can use your hands if you want. But this is pretty smooth. And the flour helps it keep that form out there. And what I'm doing here is I'm getting it real nice and thin. Anyway. So, I've got it super thin here. It's a beautiful thing. So I'm going to take some sugar. Take me a bit of sugar here. Throw it in there. Take some cinnamon. Yeah, that's probably plenty. Now, another thing that the cinnamon and sugar is really good for. Man, you take it and you just throw it on some toast. Take your toast, butter it, throw some cinnamon, some sugar on it. Holy shit. I'll be right back. So it's not fully melted yet, but that's okay. There's enough here for what we were going to do. So I'm just going to pour some of this right onto my bread here. Okay, I'm just going to roll it up. Some in here like this. I'm just going to throw some of this in the pan just to it'll melt up, and I can roll a minute when it's done. Throw some of this shit on top. And for shits and giggles, I'm just going to throw this in here. Okay, we'll see you here in about 10 minutes. Throw this on the fire. Okay guys, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. Just wanted to show you. These things are fucking delicious. Holy shit. There's nothing to them. Nothing special. I mean, you can add egg to the dough if you want. You can take egg white, whip it up, get yourself some icing. But these are soft, chewy, not doughy, just chewy, like a cinnamon roll is supposed to be. And they've got a nice brown glaze on it. You can see that. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, comment. See you next time.